The following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by Frontier Schools.
Welcome back, everyone. All right, the power of STEM can be seen in the classroom at Frontier Schools. Give your child a power boost in their education by enrolling today.
Let's go back to Palmer Live with more. Hey, Palmer, did you get permission to, work one of the robots yet?
No, again, not qualified, and there's a lot of time and attention and care that goes into it that I don't possess, but I care about the people here. How you doing, buddy?
Hi, hello.
Okay, so tell me, where are we and what are we doing here?
So this is Frontier High School Innovation Lab, and I have 4 students from my robotics club, Robotaholics, and then we have our robot here to tell you what we are doing today.
Okay, wonderful. Well, we're going to have a look at the robot. Maria, hop in here. Let's have a conversation a little bit. So how do you decide when you're looking at, one of these robots, you're designing it, how do you decide what the best the design is for your robot?
Well, first we have to look at the instructions, and we look at the game video, and it tells us everything that's required for the event for that year. And then after that, we usually just brainstorm. We put all our ideas together, and we narrow it down to what we think is best for the robot, and we try some things like our prototype right there.
Let's see, this one, right? This is it right here?
That, it helps us determine what we think works best for the objective of the game, and then after that, we choose who the best drivers are for the robot, and then in the end, it just gives us our final answer.
That's awesome. So what makes you the most proud about being involved with this group? I mean, obviously, you all are like the head of part of the team. It's 13 people in the team is what I heard. Yeah. So what makes you proud to be involved with the club and the team?
Well, first off, they're all my friends, and I just enjoy spending time with them. But I'm also really proud because it gives me a feel of what engineering is like, and that's something I want to go to in the future. And I feel like it gives me better experience and knowledge that I can use later on.
For sure. Well, so I was going to ask you a little bit about that with the future part of this, but let's talk a little bit more about the competition. What sort of strategies do you use during competitions, and how do you develop those?
For this one, we usually, since our robot can throw 3 artifacts at a time, we like just throwing at random patterns. We don't really focus on the patterns that are on the obliques, but we have intervals between the competitions, and with that, we usually just talk about what we think we did correctly, what we think we should improve, and then we incorporate that into our upcoming events.
That's awesome. Well, I think you all should get this robot and like take it to Crown Center or the Plaza or something and just like roll it around and throw the balls at people. Is that probably not? Okay, probably not. This is why I'm not in charge of the robotics team. I have great ideas, but I'd probably get in trouble or get someone in trouble. Anyway, thank you all so much. I appreciate the information. So much amazing stuff going on at Frontier School. I'm going to send it back to you here back in the studio.
Thank you, Palmer.
Again, Frontier Schools is accepting new student applications right now for the new school year. Apply today at frontierschools.org. The deadline is February 1st.
The preceding portion of Great Day KC was sponsored by Frontier.